10 seconds, 5 seconds. The application came up before this court on 28/5/2021 and thereafter, in evident haste, the state respondents realized that the petitioner's husband from the center. It, however, transpired that in release order dated 31/05/2021 issued to the petitioner's husband, a condition was imposed by the issuing authority to the effect that the petitioner's husband would have to report once a week to the local police station in West Bengal within the jurisdiction of which he proposed to reside. A copy of the release order has been screen shared with the court in the course of today's hearing. In view of the foregoing actions from the state respondents, we called upon learned standing counsel criminal appearing on behalf of respondents State of NCT of Delhi and Commissioner of Police Delhi and Director General of Prisons Delhi, and appearing on behalf of respondent number 2 Union of India to explain the incorporation of the condition on the release of the petitioner's husband as mentioned above. Prima facie, this court was of the view that the incorporation of the condition in this release order requiring the petitioner's husband to report weekly to the local police station in West Bengal amounted to modification of judgment, whereby this court had directed his unconditional release while at the same time implicitly giving liberty to the competent authority to proceed against the petitioner's husband under the Foreigners Act if they so decided in accordance with law by issuing to him the requisite show cause notice. Today, DCP Special Branch, New Delhi, has joined the video conference hearing and has explained in some detail that the condition for the petitioner's husband to mark his presence at the local police station in West Bengal came to be incorporated in his release order by inadvertence and innocent error, that there was no intention whatsoever to modify the directions issued by this court in this judgment dated 8/4/2021, and that such condition would, if deemed necessary, be imposed upon the petitioner's husband only after a show cause notice is issued to him in proceedings under the Foreigners Act as per liberty granted by this court in its judgment in accordance with law. In light of what is stated by the DCP Special Branch, submits that the explanation offered by the DCP be accepted and further proceedings in the matter be closed, reserving liberty to the competent authority to proceed against the petitioner's husband, if so advised under the Foreigners Act in accordance with law. On instructions of the DCP Special Branch, also submits that the condition appearing in release order dated 31/5/2021, namely this order, is subjected to the conditions that he will himself report to Station House Officer SHO of local police station once in a week, be treated as deleted upon an overall conspectus of the circumstances of the case, and upon considering the explanation offered by the DCP Special Branch, we believe that the condition came to be incorporated in the release order by inadvertence or at worst. Stop.